bankrupt. Restaurants, hotels, and airlines are going bankrupt. But did you know that universities are also going bankrupt? Many people forget about this, but universities are a business. They have to pay for professors, for space, and for physical buildings. It costs hundreds of millions of dollars to run a university. And now, because of COVID-19, there are no students left on campus and no more revenue. That's why hundreds of universities will close their doors forever. This is a big deal. Even the rich education was too expensive, and many students graduated with debt. Almost $1 trillion of debt. This can ruin careers. I know personally, if I graduated with debt, this entire Nas Daily page would not exist. I would stay at my boring job just to pay back my debts, and none of this, or this would exist. So yes, according to economists, hundreds of universities may go bankrupt, and this is devastating. But in this war, we will build a new type of school, a cheaper one, a more efficient one, that can educate millions of new students without going in debt. And in the middle of darkness, this is good news. See you next week.